Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to stop marketing emails off Facebook. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to stop marketing emails off Facebook. So let's get started. So guys, to stop marketing emails off Facebook, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now simply type in search bar Facebook and simply press enter. Now simply click on first link Facebook login or sign up. So guys, here you can see this is our Facebook homepage. So guys, to stop marketing emails from Facebook, here you can see account option at the top right corner of the page. So simply click on it. Now in this option you can see the option of settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now here you can see the option of settings. So simply click on settings. So guys, here you can see some options: 20 startups, privacy, notifications, account settings, security and login, ads, support inbox, videos. So simply here we need the option notifications. So simply click on notifications. So guys, here you can see notification settings, and here we need this option, how you are receiving notification. So in this option you can see two options, browser or email. So simply expand this option, and here you can see this is our email address. So in this option you can see the option of email frequency. So here you can see three options: all, suggested, required notifications. So currently you can see selected suggested. So what you have to do, you have to simply select required notifications. So simply check this option. So in required notifications you can see written only notifications about your account, security, privacy and pages you manage. So means that from now we'll not receive the marketing emails from Facebook. So guys, as you can see, we have stopped marketing emails of Facebook. So you can also stop marketing emails of Facebook by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.